Hello and welcome to Mindful Mondays. Today I'm going to review the Enterovite product from Apex Energetics. Hello and welcome to Mindful Mondays with Marcia. Today I'm going to review the Enterovite product by Apex Energetics. I love the Apex brand. They have a very high quality. They meet higher standards than the GMP standard, and it's really important for us to make sure that when we are purchasing with our money vitamins and supplements that we're getting a really good product. The Enterovite is a postbiotic, and I will get back to that, but let's first talk about a prebiotic. Prebiotic is pretty straightforward. It basically is what the probiotic feed on. So it's that beneficial fiber that is feeding the probiotic so that they are encouraged to grow. So prebiotics are also important to have. I will put in the description below what are some food sources of prebiotic. Then we have also probiotics. So a lot of us know about probiotics and what they do. They encourage that gut diversity, which is really, really important. We want a healthy gut microbiome, and we can do that by eating fermented foods, by having a lot of variance in fruits and vegetables, in intolerance, what we can tolerate. That will encourage a healthy gut microbiome. The probiotic that I love to recommend to my clients is, again, the Apex Energetics brand. They meet very high quality standards above and beyond the GMP recommended standards, and that's important again because we want to make sure when we're spending our money that we're getting a high quality product. So the postbiotic is the end result of the probiotic. This is the end result. Having the increase in that gut diversity is really, really important. The more beneficial bacteria we have in our gut, the more that we're able to fight viruses, upper respiratory infections. Also, it keeps our gut integrity strong so that we're not having things leak through into the blood that are not supposed to be there. It gives us a nice mucosal lining, which is really, really important. So that's why I like the Enterovite, because again, it's that end product of the pre and the postbiotic, and it helps the flourishing of that gut microbiome. So you can find this on my website. I have a lot of the Apex brands on my website. Like I said, it's one of my favorites that I really promote and believe in. I recommend them to my clients mostly, and you could, like I said, find it on my website there. But also I will put in the description below, there are foods that you can be eating that can also promote a healthy microbiome.